Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? So guys, today I'm in the kitchen. I want to prepare banana pancake and egg. Yeah, I'll be using this ripe banana and some eggs, sugar and flour. So guys, let's get started so you see all the process out. First, we start by peeling the bananas. When preparing this pancake, you actually need soft bananas, like ripe ones. Then you have to mix. Mix it very well. See? You add in the flour. Some little bit of sugar, vanilla flavor, milk. You can actually use liquid milk, but I'm using powder milk. Then you mix it together. Then you add egg. I'm going to be adding one egg. Some water, and some cinnamon powder, just a little bit. The pancake mix is ready. The banana pancake mix is ready. I'll set it aside. Then I'll be using this egg. Remember I said banana pancake and fried egg. So let me just crack the egg and add this some onions. Onions into smaller pieces. You don't really need much. Some salt, some Maggi cube, so
I'm dreaming in dreams bigger than me, taking my time, giving to me, paint my life into a masterpiece, coloring it how I want it to be. Won't stop till I see what I want to see. I'm picking up books to get inside the heads of the ones who happen to life instead of it happening to them.
some hot pepper,
Even if it don't happen fast, there's so much more that I feel. I won't stop until I uncover. I believe in what I feel. I won't stop until I discover all that's beyond. I know I'll be her. I'm the
so I'll be adding some avocado pear.